Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your file and getting the app ready. Open the image, duplicate the layer, and turn on GPU acceleration so filters run smoothly. Once done, browse the neural filter library and download any missing modules. This ensures you have the latest models. Make sure to use a high-resolution source for better results. Lower quality limits what AI can reconstruct. Now, select the target neural filter to begin altering the image. You now apply and refine the chosen neural filter, starting with a preset to establish a baseline. Then, adjust strength, detail, and color sliders to control the effect. Small changes often look more natural. Use a mask to limit the filter to the subject, and feather edges so transitions blend. Preview at 100% and toggle the before/after view to verify progression. If artifacts appear, lower strength or switch to a second. Finish by committing the filter and adding adjustment layers for contrast, color balance, or sharpening so you retain control. Export a flattened copy for delivery and save an editable master file with layers intact. If you encounter ghosts, halos, or odd textures, back up one step, reduce the filter strength, or try a different neural model. Sometimes swapping models resolves weird artifacts. And remember, subtlety sells realism, so dial back until the image reads naturally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.